Hello student, a very warm welcome to Knowledge Center Biology classes. Today we will discuss about the blood vessels. In the last lecture I told about the blood circulatory system and the complete synopsis of that topic. So this is the synopsis I explained in the previous lecture, blood, body fluid and the circulatory system. So the first topic is the human circulatory system. Here the two subtopics are there in this topic, heart and the blood vessels. So in this lecture I explained about the blood vessels. So here I prepared three slides. First is the blood vessels. There is a artery. There is a three type of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. In this slide I explain about the arteries. Second is the vein. Third is the capillaries, and next I will explain about these three arteries, veins, and capillaries through with this diagram. So what is the blood vessels? Actually, blood vessels is a huge network. Like you can think like that the wires are present in your body. So many wires are present in your body, and there is a three main kind of wires. Like one is the artery, second is the vein, and third is the capillary. Actually, this is all is a one wire, one pipe in your body, but according to their function they are categorized into three parts. One is the arteries, one is a vein, and third is a capillaries. So what are their functions and how they are differentiated between them? So we will actually blood vessels, there are three types of blood vessels in your body, and this is a vast system of your blood vessels in your body. It is about 60,000 miles long. Means blood vessels in your body, length of your blood vessels, total length of the blood vessels in the body, it is 60,000 miles long. Means approximate 1 lakh kilometer. This is too long. Okay, so there are three types. One is artery, second is a vein, third is a capillaries. So we will just learn about the arteries. So what is arteries? Arteries, you can remember or learn the function of the arteries. Artery is equal to away. Means the arteries are the blood vessels which is circulate the blood away from the heart. Okay, and what is a vein? Vein, V for vein, V for vapas, means the blood capillaries which go back blood to your heart, that is veins. Okay, and what is capillaries? The point their arteries and veins are mixed, means junction of the arteries and veins are called capillaries. Okay, so we will just read. Arteries, it carry oxygenated blood from the heart to other body parts and organs. Okay, they play a very important role to distributing oxygen, nutrient, and hormone throughout the body. Actually, why they are why this kind of network present in our body? This is the question. Why there are so many vessels are present in our body? So actually our body made with a cell. The smallest part of the body is called a cell, and every cell have to exist. For the existence, it want oxygen, nutrients. Okay, so the oxygen and nutrients are circulated through the blood and comes in your body parts, comes in your cell. Okay, so arteries play a very important role to distributing oxygen, nutrient, and the hormone throughout the body. And next is the arterioles. Arterioles are very small branches of arteries are called arterioles. Arteries transport blood to your arterioles, and arterioles distribute blood to capillaries for exchange of gases and nutrients. Mean arteries are further divided into small parts. These small branches are called arterioles, and these arterioles connect with the venules. I explain this. Next is the veins. What is a vein? It collects deoxygenated blood from the body parts and return it to your body. Veins have deoxygenated blood, and it collect the deoxygenated blood from all the body part and return to your heart. Vein hold most of the blood of your body. Means veins have approximate 70% of blood of your body. And there are three types of veins: deep vein, superficial vein, and third is a pulmonary vein. next is a venule. So small branches of veins are called venules. Okay. Small branches of arteries are called arterioles, and so like that small branches of veins are called venules. Next is the capillaries. So the junction of the arteries and veins are called capillaries. They are very delicate vessels that exist throughout the body, and they transport blood, nutrient and oxygen to cell in your body organ. This exists inside very deep in your body. Okay, you can't see that. Next, this is the structure. This is the artery and this is the vein. These arteries are now divided into so many branches. This is called arteriole, and this arteriole now further divided into so many branches which is connect with the venule. This is the venule. So venule and arteriole vein, they are joint, and the junction is called the capillaries. Now the venules are connect with the vein, and these arteries and vein connect with the heart. So this is the all the circulatory system of your body. So this is the all structure of your body: arteries, vein and the capillaries. This is all about the lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.